This is a short video to answer, does Graco Blossom high chair fold? Graco Blossom high chair is intended to be a one-size-fits-all type of high chair. It transforms from an infant high chair to a traditional baby high chair, an infant booster, a toddler booster, and finally a youth chair. Guess what? That is why it is called Graco Blossom 6-in-1 convertible. Graco Blossom is an interesting high chair, but all of these features comes with a big downside. So, does Graco Blossom fold? This category is where Blossom struggle the most. Graco Blossom high chair has a large footprint and is heavyweight. More importantly, and to my surprise, you cannot fold this high chair. The inability to fold makes it very hard to use if you have a limitation on space. If folding and portability are important for you, I would suggest Graco Slim Snacker High Chair. It is much simpler and also a cheaper option. I have a separate video on that if you're interested. I have other videos on this Graco Blossom High Chair. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and see you next time.